Shenandoah National Park, a breathtaking natural gem in Virginia, spans over 200,000 acres along the Blue Ridge Mountains, renowned for its rolling hills, lush forests, and stunning vistas. Established on December 26, 1935, the park offers a wealth of outdoor activities like hiking, camping, and wildlife watching, drawing visitors year-round. At its heart lies Skyline Drive, a 105-mile scenic road built in the 1930s by the Civilian Conservation Corps, CCC, stretching the park's entire length with a leisurely 35 miles per hour speed limit. This iconic route features 75 overlooks with panoramic views and access to numerous trails, including 101 miles of the famed 2,190-mile Appalachian Trail, a paradise for long-distance hikers. The park's natural wonders are matched by its rich history. Before its creation, the area was home to Native Americans and later European settlers, whose traces, stone walls, homesteads, and even hidden moonshine, stills from Prohibition days, linger in the landscape. During the Civil War, deserters sought refuge in these rugged mountains, some perishing in the harsh conditions, their unmarked graves now lost to time. Yet, the park's establishment came at a cost. Over 2,000 residents were forcibly displaced in the 1930s via eminent domain, their homes burned or razed, leaving a legacy of sorrow etched into the region's past. Geologically, Shenandoah tells an ancient tale. Its sedimentary rocks hold marine fossils like trilobites and shark teeth from the Devonian period, over 350 million years ago, when this land lay beneath an ocean. The Mary's Rock Tunnel, carved through 600 feet of granite in 1932, stands as a testament to human ingenuity along Skyline Drive. At 4,051 feet, Hawksbill Mountain, the park's highest peak, offers sweeping views of the Shenandoah Valley, while its forests harbor one of the densest black bear populations in the U.S. An estimated 300 to 800 roam here. Curiously, some bears defy tradition, remaining semi-active during mild winters, baffling wildlife experts. Human stories add intrigue. Camp Rapidan, built in 1929 as a presidential retreat for Herbert Hoover, served as an early Camp David within the park's bounds. During the Cold War, a secret bunker was constructed near Big Meadows to shelter federal officials in a nuclear crisis, now abandoned and shrouded in secrecy. Near Skyline Resort, remnants of a pre-park tuberculosis sanatorium where patients sought fresh air therapy lie hidden off-trail. Darker still, in May 1969, two hikers, Ginny Segrist and Nancy Donovan, vanished near Skyline, their fate unresolved despite extensive searches, casting a haunting shadow over the park. Shenandoah's quirks bring lighter notes. In spring, tiny box turtles amble onto Skyline Drive, creating comical traffic jams as drivers play nature's crossing guards. One Appalachian Trail hiker famously trekked 20 miles south instead of north, looping back to his start. Locals still chuckle at the hike to nowhere. The park's beauty has inspired artists like Ansel Adams, who captured its essence in black and white photographs, while its fall foliage, vibrant reds, oranges, and yellows from mid-October to early November, draws global crowds. Yet, beneath the splendor lie somber echoes. The forced evictions of the 1930s displaced families who watched their lives uprooted, and the park's creation altered communities forever. From ancient fossils to modern mysteries, Shenandoah National Park blends awe-inspiring nature with a complex, sometimes dark, human narrative, making it a place of both wonder and reflection.